Welcome to the troubleshooting guide for VTube Studio. Let's go over step 2, checking the IP address. If turning on and off didn't work, then we'll have to double check that the Internet Protocol address, also known as the IP address, is correct. Follow along and feel free to pause or rewind if needed. Open the VTS options panel and click on the pink cogwheel in Settings. Go to Connection Settings, Wi-Fi. Turn the connection off. Click on Show IP List. Now this is a very important step. Never share your IP address with anyone. Make sure the VTS on your phone matches the IP address in your VTS desktop, including the ID port. On your phone, you can also use Find Server to automatically scan and connect. Did this solve your problem? If it didn't, then check out the other videos here, or simply wait for the next video to play.